So hello everyone. This is the next installment of the Eldorado build. So this car is a 74 Eldorado convertible. The engine is blowed up. I had another engine. If you've watched the videos, it was junk. I had to buy another. So where is it at now? Fixing to show you. So this is a stock build, nothing crazy. It's just to get it back like it should have been in all its glory. And normally when I build them, I get stainless steel bolts and I paint everything individual. This one is going to be assembled like Cadillac did it, everything complete, and paint all of it. That's what the guy wants, so that's what we're going to do. So this is where it's at. This is awesome. So here's a short block. Check this bad boy out. Did a cylinder honage. No ridge at all on these cylinders. They're amazing. Original pistons, lifters and cam, water pump. Of course, we got an oil pump on it and everything. Man, this thing is nice. And I make my own dipstick tubes out of brake line. That's a story for another time. So that's what that is. So, another project, 60 Buick. Another video. Heads. We got the passenger head done, which you know because this. They're the same head, driver to passenger, but they're flipped. This is a heater hose hookup that has to go on the passenger side. So there's that. Already lapped the valves on this bad boy. Got the original retainers and seals. Had to drill a couple holes out of the exhaust manifolds and all. And I sprayed it down with oil so it wouldn't rust because I didn't know how long it's going to take me to do this. But pretty wicked. So we've got this head to finish, which I did 4 of the valves last night. Got 4 more to do. Right there. Got to drill that out of the driver manifold. Not a biggie. We got our valve train and everything clean. So it's going to be a nice factory build. Intake under. Of course, all the diff stuff. Man, we got stuff stacked everywhere. So, hopefully this weekend, this will be done. Have the engine, tranny, diff, everything dropped in it. And I can't wait because I need less projects. And this one I've been waiting on for a while. So, stay tuned. What? The tranny's under the red thing?